Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Ibu Oktadiana. Saya mengajar manajemen perkantoran dan layanan bisnis di SMK Negeri 1 Cilacap. Saya mengikuti kegiatan upskilling dan reskilling di tahun 2024 tahap kelima, bidang profesional administrasi. Setelah ini saya akan mendemonstrasikan praktek pertemuan rapat. Terima kasih, selamat menyaksikan.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saat ini saya sedang mempersiapkan materi presentasi dalam bahasa Inggris untuk perusahaan saya. Terdapat 8 slide pada materi presentasi ini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Oktadiana. As you can see on the screen, we will see a new look plan for the batik cloth business next year. This presentation will teach you how to build good business branding. Okay, let's start the presentation. This company name is Optatik Indonesia Company, Industri Batik Cloth, location at Cilacap, Central Java. Mission: globalize batik cloth. Goals for next years. And the first, annual revenue growth. Second, introducing batik cloth on the international stage. And the third, add to the catalog of batik motifs. And the last, produce high-quality batik cloth. Plan for product launch. And the first, planning, launching a new motif in 2025. In marketing, introduce excellence in the Asian and world markets. And design, unique and interesting batik cloth motifs. And strategy, introduce batik in every exhibition. And the last, launching batik cloth online and offline at each event. Market analysis. Current market trends. The first, increasing demand for batik cloth with attractive motifs. And second, the increasing interest in batik cloth is an opportunity for us. Opportunities. Batik cloth with unique motifs is our opportunity to market it on the international market. Second, customer satisfaction. First, structure marketing strategy designed to encourage customers to continue shopping, especially batik cloth. Second, improving employee engagement with customer, and third, crucial for fostering open communication. Conclusion: focus on developing batik cloth products. Choose strive for excellence in customer service, and the last, aim for operational excellence. I finished my presentation. Are there any questions? Yes.
Okay, thank you. My question is, who will be the target market?
Thank you for your question. Our target market is all age range, teenagers to adults. Are there any questions?
Okay, thank you. How does the company plan to adapt to changing market trends?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rio. We plan to stay agile by continuously monitoring market trends and customer preference. This will involve investing in research and development, as well as embracing innovative technologies to improve our products and service. This is all my presentation. Sorry if there are words that are not acceptable. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.